Hello everyone, best greeting. I'm happy to see you again from the third lecture about the descriptive analysis for the article. If we see, we are inside the Microsoft Excel, so these are the information about the articles we exported, or we can say imported from scopus. The data is authors, author's title, title of page or article title, year of publication, source title, affiliation, abstract. These are all of them about the article. We see every abstract about the, you see the abstract we can see here. We can see here the abstract. So we can see the abstract here. At first we need to find the authors. Either the author's name duplicate or author's blank. We go to the filter and we select the filter. So from the field of author we need to find the authors. There is author's not good name, it means there is error, so we select the bat or a blank about the author's name. We click on it and we find this article. Then we write how many 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 articles will be deleted. Why? Because there's no authors for this article. We come back and we select all and we come back to the our all. So we come to the title. We need to find others, and there is a no title or nothing in clean title or blank title, something like this. I see the titles, okay? Or you can type blank if there is a blank title or not, okay? And we come to the year. If there is a year is like this, 17, what does it mean? It's not clear. So we select, and the other, there is a year, there is in the field of year, must be the data explained for the year of publish. So this type of data is not related, this might be error. So we select them to delete, because we selected the years field must be contain the year. So these are article 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So there is more 11, and before 7 it means just now 18 article will be deleted. So okay, we come back to the to the year, because we in this the year, and we come back to the select all year. Sometimes we go to where we go to the source. We must now have there is a blank source, because if there is a blank source it means must be delete. Okay, so there is no blank source. Okay, so we come to the abstract. If there is a blank abstract, yeah, we select all and select non-abstract available. Okay, this is one, and there is others blank. Must be every article have a abstract. So we have 1 2 3 4. It means there is a 4. Before we have 18 is 4. We delete more all of them. Why? Because there is not abstract. So we must delete them and come back to the select all and come back to OK. So just now we remove the filter. It means we filter it all our data. And we come back to the title. Maybe the title have contain duplicate. We go to select the title field and we go to the data. We need to remove duplicate data. There is a remove duplicate data. Yeah, we select it, duplicate data, because the Microsoft Excel have a capability, have a good chance to make a descriptive analysis. So we must remove remove the duplicator. So we see there's a continue with the current selections. To remove what? To remove the duplicator article. We select it, remove duplicate article in the column C. We say OK. We say find it 161. It means 161 duplicate value found, and remove it. So the number of articles become remaining 1588 article. So by this way we select OK. So just now removed this article. After we fix all of them, we come back to what? We come back to pivot table. The pivot table I will explain for you from the next lecture. This is a pivot table, and which come back to the canal to see how we make the pivot chart, how we analyze, make a descriptive analysis for our all article, just now 1588 article. With best regard.